In this video, I'll detail how to change iPhone passcode to 4 digits. So if you have an iPhone and the passcode is set to 6 digits, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily change from 6 digits to 4 digits on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change your iPhone passcode to 4 digits, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your iPhone. Click on that. Once you tap that, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Then go ahead and type in the iPhone passcode. And once your iPhone passcode is confirmed, you should be taken to your settings where you have access to the Face ID and Passcode on your iPhone. Now scroll down, tap Change Passcode. Now to change your passcode, you need to type in the current passcode. So go ahead and type that. Now you'll be prompted to type in your new passcode. Now since you want to change to 4-digit passcode on your iPhone, click on Passcode Options. Then tap 4-digit numeric code. There you go. Then go ahead and type in your new passcode. Repeat the new passcode. Then hang on while your iPhone change your passcode to 4 digits. If the passcode is easy to guess, you'll be prompted to change the passcode to what most people cannot easily guess on your iPhone. So that is basically how to change to 4-digit passcode on your iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.